here. Today we gonna make rainbow Kuties with a special guest. Plus, we have to sing the Z.K.Kutie song. Ready, set, go. We is a cutie, you is a cutie, me is a cutie. We love being the cuties. Everybody's a cutie, everybody's cuties, cause everybody's a cutie. Now let's get started.
2 seconds later.
Come on, Mommy, let's do this!
Hi, guys. Okay, what are we going to do today, Zay?
Rainbow seeds.
Okay, and what ingredients do we need?
We need butter, bread, seeds, and food coloring.
Oh, we got a special type of food coloring, cuties.
Yeah.
Which one is this? Neon, right?
Yeah, neon.
So it's not going to be the traditional rainbow. It's going to be a rainbow neon grilled cheese, right?
Yeah. So let's get started to making it.
All right, let me open this. So what we got to do first, Zay?
We got to
Put the cheese in the bowls. Oh, yeah.
I'm going to start putting the seeds in the bowls.
Okay. Put a little bit, just a little bit. Don't worry, guys. We got clean hands.
Yeah. Get some, Mommy.
You want me to help you? Okay, let me finish getting the colors out.
Okay, this is my bowls and this is your 2 bowls, okay?
Okay. Want me to do it?
Okay. I think there's just enough seeds for mine.
Oh, it's definitely enough. Get enough. Do you want to tell the cuties the colors?
Yeah. This one is purple. This one's
You gotta show 'em.
blue. So, this one's purple. This one is blue. This one is green. And this one is pink. So, what color you like?
I'm gonna let you choose since it's her channel. So, which colors do you want Mommy to have? Say.
I want you to have these 2 colors.
Okay, and what colors are these again?
Blue and green.
Blue and green.
And mine is purple and pink.
Purple and pink. Okay, cuties. First, we have to take the die, open it.
Open it.
You want me to help you? Oh, matter of fact, let's just open all of them. Okay? Yeah. And we're gonna put about 4 drops of food coloring in each bowl, okay?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up.
Oh my God, mine is turning real purple. It's really
Nice.
It's really getting even purple. It's just so good.
Hopefully you can see that, cuties. Mine is a blue. A beautiful blue. Ocean blue.
Should I add you a bit more?
A little bit more, yeah. I would say so.
Oh yeah, that's good. Okay,
Do
mine.
this for you. Go ahead. Finish mixing it.
Okay. This one is enough? Okay.
You want to show the cuties the color? Hold it tight.
This is the color. Now, Mommy, show your color.
Okay. Next, I'm gonna do green.
I'm gonna do pink. 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like a red.
We just gonna say it's red then.
Yeah.
Supposed to be pink. Let's see what color it changes to. Okay.
It's red, Mommy.
Oh, it's red.
Oh my God. Then
Sorry, cuties. It's red.
it has a pink top.
That's all right. Probably because it's neon.
Yeah.
You can easily mistake the two with the tops.
Yeah.
Okay, I got my neon green popping.
I got my neon red popping.
Okay, next, what do we do, Kutie?
Butter.
Yes, we're gonna butter the bread. Okay, let's put the tops back on the food coloring so
Get
we
my
won't waste them. Gotta be very careful.
Yeah. Because this will maybe stain your hands, but we will gentle with them, right?
Yeah, we're very gentle with them. Just push it on. Just push it on the top. Uh-oh. Good job.
And now,
Line up.
can we cut it? We gotta cut it into squares, right?
Yes. Maybe we should just cut like a tablespoon off, just like that. Put it in a pan. But mine is gonna do this part, Kuties.
Yeah.
So if you're doing this, do it with a parent always, or a guardian. You know, someone's older.
Yeah, don't try this at home.
Right, unless they have adult supervision, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna put it on medium high and drop the butter in.
Swap it.
Drop. And we're gonna melt it.
So I cut another piece off?
No, this is enough for right now.
Yeah, that's enough.
I'll melt it a little bit.
I want to whip the butter off the knife.
You know what we forgot to do, Kuties? I'm gonna cut this off because first we need to put the cheese on the bread. Right? Right, Kutie? Let's move this out the way. So which cheeses you gonna put first? The purple, the red, the green, or the blue?
I think I should put on red first.
Red first. We're gonna make a little line, okay?
Okay.
Let me get this out of the camera. We're gonna make a line, just like this. Let mommy show you first, okay? Then you do the others. Line it up, line it up.
Get in lines, colors. Let's put that right there.
And put the next color of your choosing next to the line of red cheese.
I want to do.
Oh, and the cheese, Kuties, it's mozzarella. Because it's a white cheese, it's very easy to dye, okay? Or you can just pick the cheese of your choosing, you know. Good job. Good job. Push it on over. Push it on over. Put a little bit more right here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This is the last yellow swap.
Yeah.
And now,
What's the next color? We'll move it out the way for you. Okay. The next color is blue. Blue. Blue.
Okay, that's enough.
Just a little bit more. I think it needs a little bit more. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
We need to scoot it over for the purple, right?
Mm-hmm.
I just realized we have to do purple, right?
You just realized it.
Yeah.
How did you forget? And you the one mixed it up, girl. Move this out the way. The last color is purple.
And then we have to put it in the stove, right?
In the skillet.
Skillet.
Yep, and the skillet on the stove.
Ooh. So hot.
It was hot.
I'm really on my tippy toes.
You're on your tippy.
Okay.
Okay.
Off my tippy.
Okay, little mama. You're supposed to put the other slice of bread on top. Be very careful. Good job. And this is where mom or dad or older sister or brother comes in, okay, Kuties?
Okay.
I'm going to put it in the skillet. Make sure your Skillet is on a medium.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
can I eat this?
Sure. Make sure it's on a medium, and then you're gonna make sure the butter is melted nice and bubbly, but don't let it burn. And then you're gonna put it in. Medium high. Put it on medium high. No, we don't touch the stove, remember? Scoop some of this red off. Feel like a sandwich, so we're gonna scoop that off. I'm gonna turn it over. Of course, it's not done, but I'm gonna turn it over so I can heat the other side also. Yeah. You excited? What?
So you have to like open it like this. It's like,
Oh, cheese.
it should be like, ah.
Do you like cheese?
Yeah,
Is cheese
I love.
one of your favorites?
Yeah,
What kind of meals do you like to eat with cheese in them?
I like to eat cheese in my spinach.
Your spinach dip.
Yeah, and
Mm-hmm.
I also like to eat cheese pizza with it.
What else?
So
Macaroni and cheese?
Yeah.
I heard you like that a lot. You like mommy's baked macaroni and cheese, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
So I also like cheesecake.
Cheesecake, but this is not the kind of cheese you put in cheesecake. You gotta use cream cheese, cuties. But nevertheless, it's cheese.
It's just called cheesecake because it has cheese cream in it.
Cream cheese in it. That's true. Trying to get this popping.
You think that's enough?
No, because the bread's not toasted.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully this comes out right, cuties, because this is our first time making rainbow grilled cheese.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. You can put the bread in the toaster too. If you don't want to do this one, you can do the bread in the toaster because the toast is much easier. But we're just doing this because, yeah.
You put it in the toaster and then you put the cheese on it and then melt it in the microwave. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, you can do that too. Because
Okay.
same thing as this, right?
Right. Let's see if this is ready, cutie.
Oh, yep, it's ready, Mommy.
It's looking like it's ready, baby. Let me see, the other side is toasted. Yep, it's toasted. So we're gonna take it on that.
And then we can open it.
We're gonna take it on that, cuties. Move this out the way.
So, cuties, it's time for us to open it.
Wait, first, we have to cut it. Mommy's gonna do that too. We don't play with knives, cuties.
Yeah, the only reason that I cut it with a butter knife, the butter, because I did it easily and carefully because, you know, you have to be careful with butter knives. If your mom don't let you do it, just let her do it.
That's
Yeah?
right. And remember, cuties, when you're trying to get the pull effect, you don't cut all the way through the sandwich. You just cut it to where you can pull it, okay? Right, Zach?
Yeah.
It's a little hard to do that, too. That's okay.
Okay. Now, we almost done to be opening it. Why?
Turn this way. Okay, cuties, I think we're ready. Let me put this in the sink. Okay, let's see if it'll pull slowly. Slowly.
Oh, we did it, cuties! Woo!
Look at that. You gonna taste it? Oh, I get one too? Okay. Let's see. Look, put it right here. Right here. Look at that, cuties.
Look at this.
Beautiful. Okay. Mommy jumped ahead of herself, baby. You ready to taste it? Ready to taste our creation? Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3.
That is good.
Delicious. You should try this at home, cuties. With mom, dad, or grandparents. Or brother and sister, it doesn't matter, but this is definitely 10 out of 10 recommend.
Bye.
Bye, cuties.